Okay, this is a test. Hold on a sec. So I want to explain this. This is a test. We're using the audio. This is an audio and a low light test. So it's kind of a bit of both. We've got the GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition and also the
Black
Plus.
Edition Plus.
And the Plus. So we've got both the Black Editions.
Is Black Edition Plus?
It's GoPro Hero 3 Plus, then it's Black Edition.
Ah.
Okay then, so do you want to, and we've also got this thing happening too. This is, we're trying to get a new, don't touch the mic.
Okay.
We're trying to get a new microphone and it's a Rode Smart Lav. So this could add a whole new dimension to our videos. Hopefully it works well, so we'll try that out too, but that might be in another video. This is just an audio test, but we won't be using the audio out of that. Okay Thomas, go for it.
I think we're putting on a drumhead trail. 500 years ago, military officers would append a drum on the battlefield, sit at it, and dispense summary justice. Decisions were quick, punishments severe, appeals denied. Those who came to a drumhead were doomed. There is a saying, which many of us have heard since we were school children. With the first link, the chain is forged. The first speech censored, the first thought forbidden, the first freedom denied, chains us all, irrevocably. Those words were uttered by Judge Aaron Satie as wisdom and warning. The very first time any man's freedoms are trampled, we are all damaged. I fear that today, on this starship, we are forging that chain.
Well, that was the audio test.
Yes, and that was from Star Trek.
I think people would have figured that out, the nerdness and us.
Yes, so I just think it was called Drumhead.
Okay then. Anyway, thanks for watching guys.
See ya!